Hello! I'm back! So, bago kami matulog, naisipan naming mag-Chubby Bunny!
Chubby Bunny Challenge!
Yes, Chubby Bunny Challenge.
I'm the person that loves
Saan ba yung chubby mataba?
Okay. Pumili po ako ng marshmallows. But, it is gluten-free. Ngayon,
and fat-free.
bago po namin umpisahan ng aming challenge, gluten-free benefits, improves cholesterol, promotes healthy, promotes digestive health, increases energy levels, eliminates unhealthy and processed foods from your diet. More likely to eat fruits and vegetables because they are all gluten-free. Number 6, reduces your your risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and diabetes. Number 7, helps ward off viruses and germs, as many foods you will now eat will contain more antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Promotes healthy weight loss. Number 9, improves health of people with irritable bowel syndrome and arthritis. And then number 10, distinctly improves awareness of foods that can have an adverse effect on your health. So yan po ang meaning ng, yan po yung mga benefits sa mga kinakain natin gluten-free.
And fat-free.
So, start na po natin ang aming Chubby Bunny Challenge! Okay.
Instead of actually doing the challenge, I'll just eat it.
Sino tatawagan?
Hello, parin Jim. Jim Parades. Oo. Gusto mo sumali sa Chubby Bunny? But please, don't pull out your tongue, okay? Busy ka? Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Umpisa. Ako na mag-uumpisa. Wait. Mommy first.
Okay.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Do not eat, ha? Not allowed
Di ba
to eat.
kakainin?
Hey, Chubby Bunny.
Chubby kasi.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby honey.
Chubby Bunny.
Go. Chubby Bunny. Say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Kasi,
Chubby Bunny.
ang 5 ko na to.
Di ko na alam.
Chubby Bunny.
Five. Chubby Bunny. Out
Chubby Bunny.
na po si kasi.
Chubby Bunny.
Ow.
Chubby Bunny.
Back with me.
Hey! Chubby Bunny.
Sana kakainin ko.
Don't eat. Or you're just qualified.
Ang pagod up.
I can.
I won the challenge. 8 po yung nakain ko. Si Mami. Si Mami 5. Si Cassie 2. Si Daddy 7.
Ewan ko, ilang ba yung nakain ko?
No, mine was 3.
Yeah, only
3?
3.
Yes. My mouth is small.
You're not small. You're so
Mr.
arte.
Bean.
Smaller than
So guys, Ako po yung panalo sa Chubby Bunny
Yay!
Challenge.
Guys won the challenge!
Ito pa ako?
See you next time. Thank you for watching.
Shortest video
Bye,
ever.
Jim.
Bye-bye.
Shortest
Bye-bye,
video
Jim.
ever.
Bye-bye, Jim.
Jim Paredes, bye-bye.
Ikaw na. Magsabi.
So guys, before i-end po natin yung video, huwag nyo po kalimutan i-press yung subscribe button, i-smash nyo po yon, at don't forget to press the bell button para ma-notificated po kayo every single time
And
we
smash
post.
that like button.
Every time we post a new video.
Smash the like button.
Also, don't forget to smash the face of Jim Paredes.
Bye.
Don't forget to share the video.